Taking apart the short Bronco right now. I took the motor out of it. Kohler Courage 19 or 18 actually. But in the past video, you can see how I blow this up.
There it went.
No. Right way to take off any valve cover. This must happen when we blew it up. It just fell right off. See how this one is? Just gotta press them down. A little hard to press down, but breaker board to get that flywheel nut off. So now I'm gonna try to get a hammer, take this flywheel off, and this get that out too, because that won't come off. Flywheel off the crowbar, and I took a couple of taps with the hammer, came right off. All the magnets fell off the flywheel. It's kind of interesting, but one, no, stay on the flywheel instead. Take the stator off and take this top cover off because the split's right here. Never done this before. Good thing I'm not putting this back together. Jeez. Connecting rod don't even look broke. These bolts were extremely tight, so I take them out by hand. I'm about to take the head off now. Ooh. What is that? It does look a little bent, especially compared to that one. So there's a lot of space in this crankcase. Got the crankshaft out. Looks pretty cool. You can even spin it on this. And I got the piston connecting rod out. Looks pretty cool. Look at that. That's about it. This engine teardown. Thanks for watching.